shelves you didn't do properly.
What shelves?
Dennis is shelving.
They look right to me.
No, they're not. The backing is up.
So what?
The backing's not.
Who told you that then?
Oh, you...
I never recognised it. Who told you that? Eh?
Oh, David.
Alright, David. Got my work cut out for me today.
Oh, bloody hell. There's our David rigged a new arse up. He's chuffing altered his arse and done it nearly up. Can't get my friggin' finger in them,
There we go.
Stop it.
First problem, I've got the first shelf off, as you can see. Not a problem. This one, however, is screwed in. Realise. They're like plastic screw type things.
Why has this got holes in the middle?
I don't know.
Perhaps that shelf you've just took out should be screwed in from back as well.
Take the shelf off, look.
Yeah, well, I don't think there's any need. It's not even fastened to back. So why do you have to take that shelf out?
That's got a good point. Let's be serious now. As you can see, shelves are now on the floor.
What it means is, you know the way to go for best.
Yes, Yoda. I've decided he wants to. Oh, the camera's out. He's decided to walk away. Oh, as you can see, I'm the ideal DIY man.
Oh, did that plastic thing
Inserts come out with that, so I need to go and get myself some pliers now.
Can you listen before you...
That whole,
If it come out at hole, it'll go back in hole.
yeah, I know, but I've got to turn it round, haven't I?
Is that the one that was the wrong way round?
They all were. They're all wrong way
But
round.
that one can go here. We are here.
No, but I've got to turn it round because that's going to be on.
Turn it round and point to this end.
I can't because it's on the wrong side.
Oh. Can I just show you what I mean? Look.
Yeah.
Is that where it goes?
That's how it was. All we've done is turned it upside down. It's the wrong way round altogether. That's it. And that's the problem there. Right, again I think, see? This is why I hate DIY. Just got a pair of pliers ready for action.
Wow. Brain of Britain.
Sam's little Christmas present I got a couple of years back come in handy because I need another set of pliers and got panels on the right way now. Next stage of the DIY, hammer, tacks and tape.
Oh, you're just putting it back on a set of shelves. Not knocking the middle wall down and building a fitted kitchen. Eh?
Gentle. You don't want to start
Can you be gentle?
You don't want to start splitting wood and stuff, do you?
No, we don't, do we? You should work.
Right, now we can secure the back panels the right way round.
You do think of some genius things. Yeah, quite amazing. You amaze me most of the time.
Yeah, well today there's no glue there.
Is what?
Glue there.
No, you're right.
Well, apart from that,
Oh, that's because you bash your finger with it, haven't you? Oh, do you love them drawers, do you? Them shelves?
Stitched up by your mum.
He won't stitching you up. Our David just said, Mum, can I just tell you, put your wood on back to front. And I'm glad he did, because it was shabby. It was a quick, shabby job.
There you go, David. Job complete. As you can see, correct wood back boards are the correct way around.
No.
As you can see, your mother's lazing about again while I'm working.
Oh,
Tidied the back up, tacked it,
taped it.
tacked it, taped it. What do you think, Milo? Is it good?